Well, Apple just wrapped up WWDC 2026, and while most people were expecting flashy redesigns and a bunch of gimmicky features, this year's update is surprisingly different. Instead of trying to reinvent the iOS again, Apple seems to be focusing on something many of us have been asking for: better performance, improved stability, fewer bugs, and a smarter Siri experience. And honestly, that's the kind of update I'm excited about. Now, before we go any further, I need to give you a quick warning. I do not recommend installing the developer beta on your primary iPhone. Developer betas can be buggy, apps can crash, battery life can take a hit, and things can break unexpectedly. But if you have got a secondary device, love testing new features early, or simply enjoy living on the bleeding edge of the technology, here's exactly how to install the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is register your Apple ID with Apple Developers Program. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything just to access the beta. There are two ways to do this. Option number one is through Safari. Open Safari on your iPhone and head over to developer.apple.com. Once you're there, tap the sign in button in the top right corner and log in using the same Apple ID that's already signed into your iPhone. If this is your first time signing in, Apple may show you the Apple Developer Agreement. Just scroll all the way down, tap agree and continue, and that's it. If you would rather use an app, there's another method. Open the App Store and search for Apple Developer App. Download it, launch it, and sign in using your Apple ID. Again, make sure it's the same Apple account you are using on your iPhone. Once you have signed in through either the website or the app, the hard part is already done. Now head back to your home screen and open Settings. Tap General, then tap Software Update. Give it a few seconds to load. You should now see a new option called Beta Updates. Tap on it. From the list of available betas, select iOS 27 Developer Beta option. Once you have selected it, go back to the previous screen. After a moment, the iOS 27 Developer Beta should appear as an available update. Now, just follow the on-screen instruction and download and install the update. Since this is a new OS installation, it will take 10 to 15 minutes for the entire installation process to finish, so be patient. And that's about it. You are officially running the latest iOS 27 developer beta before most people. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more iOS 27 tips and updates, and I will see you in the next one.